Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the automation testing jobs. So let us go through the first job opening. So this is the very first job opening here. So role would be automation test engineer, and these are all the key responsibilities they have given here. And lead automation testing initiatives for healthcare applications, collaborate with cross-functional teams to ensure seamless delivery, innovative and implement best practices in test frameworks. So they are looking for expertise in automation testing tools and frameworks, strong knowledge of US healthcare. So these are all the skills they are looking for. If you are interested for this job opening, and if you have these skills, you can apply for this job by following Sheikh Tanvir Ahmed. So you can apply by following him. So let us go through the next job opening. So role would be automation tester, experts with Selenium and Bangalore location, 2 to 5 years of experience they are expecting from the candidates. These are all the job responsibilities like develop and execute automation test scripts using Selenium WebDriver, collaborate with development teams to ensure product activity and performance, contribute to AGL projects with the focus on continuous testing and CI/CD pipelines. They are expecting these skills from the candidate. So if you are interested for the job opening, so you can apply through this link, or else you can follow this person like Navin SH. You can follow Navin SH, and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening here, test engineer role would be test engineer, and they are expecting the candidate should design and execute manual and automation test cases, and identify, report, tracking bugs, performance issues, and collaborate with developers to ensure seamless releases. Work on API front end and back end testing, improve test strategies to enhance product quality. So they're also looking for strong understanding of manual and automation testing, experience with Selenium, Cypress, Postman, or similar tools, and ability to work independently in a dynamic startup environment, and strong problem solving skills and critical thinking skills. So they are looking for these skills. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your resume to Samiksha by following her. She didn't give any mail ID to send resumes, so you can follow her and you can send your resumes there. So coming to the next job opening here, QA automation and manual testing. So they need junior QA and senior QA. This is the salary expectation they are offering here. So qualifications and requirements are 2 to 3 years of hands-on experience in manual and automation testing, expertise in testing web application and websites, strong knowledge of testing types like functional regression, performance, etc. So experience working in startup environment, and a proficiency in testing tools like Selenium, JUnit Test, MG, etc. So knowledge of scripting languages, example Java and Python. They're expecting from the candidate like excellent problem solving skills and communication skills, ability to do work independently in a team. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you are interested for the job opening, and if you have these skills, you can be applicable for the job, and you can apply, you can send your resumes to this mail ID. So let us go to next job opening here. The role would be QA tester, QA automation tester, and location they are offering is Chennai location. And the candidate should have overall like 1 to 4 years of experience in testing, and also 2 or 3+ years of experience in Selenium, Kumar, Jenkins, or similar tools for automation testing of web applications. Good knowledge of behavior-driven development testing, like candidates should have BTech qualifications, or BTech, MTech, and MCA, MSc Computer Science or Engineering. So they are looking for these qualifications, and they also need immediate joiner. So if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your CV, Ritu. Like you can send your CV there by following her. So next role would be a QA automation test engineer. Experience is 2+ years of experience of automation testing they are looking for, and performance testing experience is a plus, and joining is immediate joiner. They are looking for immediate joiner, and location is Surat. So first preference for local candidates, in the like they are looking for the local candidates as their first preferences, and you can share your resumes to this mail ID, or you can drop a note through WhatsApp. Like this is her WhatsApp number, so you can send your resumes through WhatsApp or mail ID. So coming to the next job opening here, role will be automation test manager, and they are expecting 10 plus years of experience in software development or service based testing. So 8 to 10 years of experience in test automation within the software development or service based environment, and 3 to 5 years of experience in managing a team comprising of manual automation test engineers, proven experience with API and microservices testing and automation, hands-on experience with automation frameworks like Selenium, Cypress, APM, JUnit, testing engine, or similar, proficient in programming languages such as Java, Python, or JavaScript for writing automation testing scripts. So in-depth understanding of TDD and BDD methodologies and tools like Cucumber, strong problem-solving skills and debugging skills, with an eye for detailed experience working with CI/CD pipelines also, and integrating automation tests into build process. So, candidate, like if you are interested for this job opening and if you have these skills, you can apply through this mail, or you can send your resumes through WhatsApp number also, and or else you can call her. So coming to the next job opening, the role would be automation tester, and skills are automation testing, Selenium, Python, robot framework, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 5 to 8 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and work mode would be remote mode, and notice period they are expecting from the candidate 2 months, like 60 days, and service or service notice period, like more than 2 months they are not taking the candidates. So if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your resumes to this link, or else you can ping her, and you can send your resumes there. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.